Good, alhamdulillah.
Very good. So first, I think we do a very good league, a very second part of the league. We only have 2 mistakes, and these mistakes we cannot win the matches, the last 2 matches. But for sure, it's a good experience, and we will work more and more for next season, be special for everybody.
Yang saya lihat permainan sangat baik, anak-anak berjuang sangat, spiritnya sangat bagus, dan saya bangga dengan Pendekar United. Mungkin nggak tahu saya sampai kapan saya punya semangat yang luar biasa untuk Pendekar United, tapi saya harap perjuangan yang sekarang tidak sia-sia, jangan sampai hanya di musim ini, tapi sampai musim-musim ke depan, mungkin sampai 5-10 tahun ke depan, bahkan sampai nanti misalnya saya sudah tidak mengurus Pendekar ini lagi atau ada yang bantuin saya ngurus atau apa, saya tetap pengen spirit ini yang udah dibawa dari pertama kali dibuat tim ini terus ada di Pendekar United.
I mean, the most important is prepare everything for the next season, because other teams are very strong too. But Pendekar, it's the first year, we cannot forget that. But we are doing already a good job. Our boss have the mindset we needed. He followed the way, and we will work together with the players, the players we have and the players will come in the future. For we fight against these big teams and be part of them.
Saya sih senang banget dengan kinerjanya, walau di 2 match terakhir kita tidak mendapatkan poin di Surabaya, padahal di seri kedua ini kita almost unbeaten, dan tiba-tiba di last 2 match kita dapat ujian. Tapi itulah game ya, ini sport, kadang ada menang, ada kalah, sometimes you win, sometimes you learn ya. Jadi kita harus melakukan yang terbaik untuk musim depan, karena ini kompetisi. Memang saya sayang banget sama tim ini, but the team have to harus bekerja lagi, work more and improve and bring player. I'm sad kalau ada pemain go, but sometimes in the competition, in the sport, in the futsal, football, or everything, if you want to be good team, you need to bring new player, bring new spirit, and make everything more good.
Now it's different for me, because when I accept to come to Pendekar with the boss, when I speak with the boss, I don't play almost 5 months. I'm not in competition in France. I speak this with boss, but I want to come for try to help the Indonesian futsal and try to bring more people on the field, for see not only Ricardinho but see Pendekar United and see more futsal. I think we win this battle because we bring a lot of people. We never play away.
Home. We never play home.
No, but we never play away because we never feel.
Oh yes, understand.
At home
understand.
we never play, but we will play next
We will
year.
play next year.
But we never feel we
Okay.
play away because we have a lot of support always.
Thank you.
But for sure, next season for me, it will be a new challenge. I want to give more and more. I will be more fit for sure. I will be more ready and prepared. The mindset is the same. I want to win all matches. I know it's not only Ricardinho, this is Black Steel or BTS or Cosmo. No, it's all team Pendekar. But I will give more and more all time, because I'm a competition guy. I want to win all time, but I want to help all players, new players, staff, team, and boss, because they deserve it, and I want to be thankful for this opportunity.
Ya, mungkin my big plan is to make Ricardinho stay, because this team with Ricardinho is have like more spirit, more chemistry, and Indonesian people love Ricardinho dan semua orang sayang sama Ricardinho. I think this is important for Pendekar in next season, apalagi ini katanya Ricardinho mungkin beberapa tahun lagi akan retire. Semoga ini di Pendekar United jadi history di sejarah karirnya beliau sebagai greatest of all time in futsal. Dan mungkin untuk Ricardinho saya nggak perlu ngomong karena dia sudah melihatkan permainan terbaiknya, walau dia lama nggak latihan karena nggak dalam kompetisi, tapi di sini he give the best. And we, all the team, all the crew, all the staff love Ricardinho so much. And tapi untuk pemain-pemain berikutnya semoga punya spirit dan daya juang yang sama kayak beliau dan bisa terus fight untuk musim depan yang lebih baik.
Like I told you before, boss have a different way to think. You know, you have a different mindset for like person. And when he bring this for futsal, I'm really sure they will help. I see already the project. In first year, he want to win all the time. He want to support. He want to give all conditions for the players, and this is amazing. But in the half of second part of the season, he already worked for the next season. This is amazing. I think it's something new in futsal, and for sure he will get something in the future. I hope soon because I'm here and I want to help. But first of all, and more important for me, it's the person. He showed me a good heart, good person. That's why when you give love, you pay with love. That's why I should Pendekar again.
Karena dia membuat warna baru ya di futsal Indonesia, dan warna baru ini yang ditunggu sama masyarakat gitu. Apalagi bisa bikin orang-orang yang tadinya udah mungkin gak nonton futsal sekarang comeback nonton futsal lagi. Dan kita ngerasain kok dimanapun Pendekar main, alhamdulillah, terima kasih supportnya, semua stadion full dan support Pendekar walaupun itu bukan di Jakarta, karena Pendekar ini kan sebenarnya dari Jakarta, tapi kami merasa moto kami dari Jakarta untuk Indonesia itu benar-benar terjadi dengan adanya gerakan dari Pendekar, dengan ada movementnya, dengan adanya Ricardinho, dengan ada pemain-pemain yang punya semangat luar biasa. Jadi untuk saya akan berusaha yang terbaik sampai semampu dan sekuat yang saya bisa untuk tim ini bisa maju dan membuat banyak lagi pecinta futsal bisa bangga dengan tim ini. Pasti kita mau menang, win ya, tapi pengen sih hati ini pengen go to ASEAN or Asia. We want to be champion at the world ya. Karena di Asia lah, kita target di Asia dulu. Semoga kita bisa masuk ke sana dan kita bisa main di sana, bisa jadi pemain-pemain kita juga, pemain lokalnya bisa upgrade, dan ini akan berimpact untuk timnas Indonesia juga. Saya harap ini akan jadi peluang terbaik Pendekar United musim depan untuk berada di Asia Tenggara.
For sure, this is the mindset. You see, when you have ambition, when you want to eat the world, you will get it. If you don't have ambition, for sure you don't win. So the ambition of our boss, it's very important because he showed the way, and we need to work for go behind him. One reason for I accept sign the contract because Pendekar United is a family. And when I came here in the first day till now, I feel like family. And even if I don't stay, if I don't sign, or maybe next year I finish my career, Pendekar United will be a new family for me, sure.
Oh, this is hard question.
I don't want to know. If it's hard, it's hard.
Yes, because we love all the staff, we love all the coach, we love all the player, and my heart with all the player. Tapi yang susah adalah ketika kita membuat keputusan ini, apalagi keputusan ini untuk kebaikan tim selanjutnya. Dan kadang memang kami masih merasa tim 1, 2, dan 3 di Pendekar ini belum padu ataupun belum menunjukkan yang terbaik. Tapi perubahan itu harus untuk jadi lebih baik. Tapi saya akan terus mendoakanlah pemain siapapun yang masih di sini, semoga itu baik untuk kedepannya, dan yang memang mungkin tidak jodoh lagi di sini, kita doakan yang terbaik, kita bertemu lagi, dan saya yakin mereka semua masih bisa menjadi lebih baik daripada yang kemarin. Another foreign player. This is kita belum bisa tentukan sekarang, but one foreign is already best player in the world. So another player we don't need to terlalu besar ya, tapi pasti pemain satu laginya harus yang bisa punya chemistry kuat sama beliau, dan saya juga akan punya sama coach, because coach yang akan menentukan, coach will tell us, because coach juga yang akan memberikan siapa pemain-pemain yang dia inginkan nanti gitu. Jadi memang saya kalau pemain yang stay atau enggak pasti ngikutin apa kata coach seperti itu. Coach BW is very good. Coach BW, saya senang sekali bekerja sama dengan Coach BW, Coach Azhar, Coach Idu, Coach Gilang, Coach fisik kita siapa? Coach Rizky, semuanya lah, semua staff, semua coach. Saya sayang, I love the people so much. Tapi untuk musim depan mungkin akan ada yang bertahan, akan ada yang pergi gitu, karena tim punya target yang lebih tinggi, terus tim butuh latihan yang mungkin lebih berbeda mungkin dari sebelumnya, dan ini masih keputusan berat, tapi manajemen akan menentukan segera siapa yang bertahan, siapa yang pergi. Satu musim. Jadi biasanya kan orang bilang ya cuma 3 bulan atau gimana, tapi sekarang kita punya Ricardinho untuk 1 musim. Alhamdulillah. Target untuk musim depan, tadi saya udah bilang akan harus bisa masuk ke Asia, dan apapun yang terbaik untuk futsal Indonesia lah. Kita di sini Pendekar United untuk memberikan warna baru. Kita senang juga tiba-tiba emak-emak datang banyak ke lapangan ya, bukan biasanya kan cuma remaja dan laki-laki. Ini so many perempuan, ibu-ibu datang support Pendekar. Even di dunia pun saya belum pernah lihat ya kayak gitu. Dan ini kadang-kadang emak sewa 1 tribun. You know the mom, many mom support Pendekar now. Itu it's different. Even in Europe I never see mom have pregnant, have a son and watch the match gitu. Dan itu suatu kelebihan yang ada di Pendekar, dari penonton dari anak-anak, dari remaja banyak, sampai ke mama dan bapak-bapak. So, suatu kehormatan saya bisa menjalankan tugas menjadi memanage semua yang ada di Pendekar United.
I think yes.
Oh my god, okay.
Yes, but let's see. Depend of the season we have. If we go to Asia like we want, I don't know if I can stop.
Of course, we need to fight together.
No, but for sure, we will. When I choose again stay in Pendekar, it's because I feel everything. Love, I have conditions to work here, like family. So I have everything. So I want to give my 100% to. But let me tell you something. It's when we speak about other coaches, the coaches we have, and they need to go out. Some players they need to go out. This is part of sport. This is the part most difficult, because even when we have good players, sometimes we need to change, because it's better for the team, and the hard work. It's choose who is the best for the team or not. Sometimes you're right, sometimes you're wrong, but this is the question. You need to choose. So I want to give one word for the people who go to other team or other country, I don't know. I want to wish all the best and thanks for your help, even staff and players. And for the players, they will stay, work more hard because we will fight more.
Ya, saya setuju banget. Itu amazing quote from you. Saya setuju. Di sini bukan berarti pemain itu kalau ada yang pergi dia jelek atau bagus, tapi mungkin konsep dari permainan yang dimau coach itu tidak sama. Tapi aku yakin di sini semuanya sudah memberikan yang terbaik. Saya juga dari pribadi, dari hati yang terdalam pengen terima kasih untuk semua coach, semua pemain yang sudah berjuang di musim ini. Yang bertahan seperti yang Ricardinho bilang, work more harder, karena Ricardinho punya visi yang besar. he want to win everything. You guys same like me. Jadi kita harus kerja lebih keras, work more harder, and be the best version of you. Oh, he said, I give you number 10 or not? Of course. Jadi
I
aku
don't ask. I respect the boss.
no, of course I give the number 10 because this number 10 I hold because I'm waiting who can use the first number 10 in Pendekar, because this is gonna be the history. Even after Ricardinho don't play anymore, we need the number 10, good one, good in the world, good attitude, good leadership. I think this is the guy for our number 10 because number 10 is magic. Number 10 is in football, in futsal, is the best player. So I think number 10 is for you.
He give me the number 10. I appreciate, but he give pressure to number 1. This is the best one. No, but thank you.
I take number 1.
Yes, the number 1 it's more important because it's the first. No, but the number it's something beautiful for us because when we play we feel
Yes.
the number. But the most important is on the floor and training and be professional and try to win. This is most important. The number it's sometimes something for the image. Sometimes you feel the lucky number. I respect a lot of this number because I play all the time with it. So thank you because I will be the number 1 player in playing Pendekar with number 10. I hope everybody be happy.
Okay. Ya, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, thank you so much. Oh, very good sign.
now you see and don't see nothing.
Okay.
Walau berbeda kami satu, satu kesatuan. Semangat kami takkan mundur.